Hey guys, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do an oil change on this Honda Passport 2020. It's gonna be the same thing for the Honda Pilot, the Honda Ridgeline, and the Odyssey. It's the same engine, so it's gonna be the same procedure on how to change your oil. And I'm gonna do this one on the ground. I am skinny enough so I can go underneath the vehicle, but for those of you guys that can't just lay down underneath the vehicle, you can use something like this. I'll leave a link in the description for the ramp and also for the tools I use. And guys, you can check out your oil from the dealer itself, because the oil at the dealer is like $7 for full synthetic. So even though I might get a little discount, but the oil is still way cheaper than Mobil 1 and all that, and it's full synthetic from the dealer. So you guys can try that. So let's go ahead. The dealer say take 6 quart. Look it up on the computer. It's 5.4, so roughly is kind of 6 quart. So let's go ahead and do that and get it up on the ramp. So right here, back there, you have your oil filter. That blue thing you seen over there, that's your oil filter, and right here is your oil drain plug. So that's what we're gonna drain for you guys to see. And it's gonna be 17 millimeter. So 17 millimeter. Make sure you have a drain a oil pan to catch the oil when you let it out. Just gonna let it drain. Just gonna put this somewhere safe where I can find it when I'm ready for it. And also, you can also set this properly where you can hold where you can take out the filter at the same time. So I've got to try and get it from a different angle, so I'm just gonna wait till this drains. Alright, so I'm just gonna get it from right here. Some oil gonna drain out on the subframe. You have no control over that, but that's okay. It's not gonna do anything. You can simply clean it off after we finish changing the oil. So we're just gonna let it drain, and then we get back to it when the draining is over. So let that drain. So this is what I get from Honda. I get an original oil filter. and I get 6 quart of oil. So you guys can just go to the dealer and you can get the original oil and filter. Alright, so the oil look like it's stopped draining now, so I'm gonna go ahead and install the filter. So you want to get some lube on the filter, and that should be good. Some. And go ahead and install it. Once it's there, you just have to make a full turn. Alright, so let's make a full turn. Alright, so that's good. Now we're just gonna get the drain plug. So your car might not be 2020, but this is 2020 and this is the first oil change for this car ever. So you're gonna need to check your washer, so make sure it's good. This one is still in good condition, so just gonna reuse it. Tighten this up. Get our 17mm, switch it to on. So you don't want to over tighten it, just a little bit, and then we can just clean off underneath. So I'm going to spray it down with some degreaser and just rinse out under there with the hose. And I don't think I need to show you guys that, because you guys know already. That's easy. You guys both know to do that. So degreaser all over here and rinse it off with water. So let's lift up the hood, and we're gonna have to put this right here where the service part go. And we're gonna have to find this down here, and the oil it take is 0W20, which is also written on the cap. So that's it. We need to get some oil down there, and it's the engine kind of sit down in the vehicle, so it's gonna be a little challenging, but it's doable. Go ahead, put that on like that, and you can just add the oil right there. Try not to make a mess, because if you make a mess, the YouTube comments gonna kill you. I'm just messing with you, but try your best not to make a mess, so you have less work to clean up. Even though I make a little mess here, but that's nothing, can drop right back down there. So I don't know if you guys can see where I have to, how far down it is. So hopefully you guys can do this without creating a mess. So once that is done, guys, just let it drain down there for a little bit, so when you take it out you don't have oil drip down there. You can just sit it on a rag or something like that, and then you can go ahead and just screw this in. So that's it for that one, guys. I'm also gonna go ahead and go on the inside and crank it up and back it down and get it on a level surface and check it. And also I will reset the oil light, the maintenance required light. So let's do it. So once you add all your oil, let's get in the vehicle, crank it up. And you just let it circulate for a few seconds, a few minutes or second or something like that. So just give it 30 seconds so that all the oil can circulate. What you can do, you can back off here. So I just backed off, and I'm gonna find a lever spot. So just find a lever spot to put the car. And you just want to check your oil. And you check your oil to make sure it's at the level it's supposed to be. As you can see, it's right there. So mine is good, so I'm gonna leave it like that. Peace out, guys. So I throw 5.5 quart in it. Peace out, see you next time. Like, comment, share, and let's go ahead and reset the service, the maintenance soon, required soon, or whatever it is soon. All right, peace out. On the Pilot, on the Passport, and the Ridgeline is the same vehicle. So this is how you're going to reset your service light. If you want to reset it, go ahead and turn the ignition on, and once that is on, you wait for your screen to come up. It's flashing because it's LED, so it's not really flashing. So you want to press the, turn the AC off. You want to press the home. Once you press home, you want to go to settings. Once you go to settings, you want to go to vehicle right here. Once you go to vehicle, you want to scroll down and you want to go to maintenance information. So let me show you, let me close this right here. It's gonna ask you to, it's gonna let you know, hey, the go to warning. Go to warning. So it's gonna tell you you need maintenance. So press maintenance information. You can see my oil light is 15% engine oil, so I'm just gonna go ahead and press that and press reset. And once I click reset, it's gonna change to, it's gonna change to 100% right there. So I change the oil and the filter. So I change oil and filter, and that's it, guys, for this one. Peace out. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Let's grow together. Peace out.